Hi, my name is Richard Soloviev. I'm the product marketing manager for our safety category. We're here at the rAVe ADI booth at CEDIA. I want to thank rAVe for giving me this opportunity to speak to you all and all of our wonderful customers and friends out there. So having said that, we have a couple of really exciting things that we're showcasing this year. For starters, we have our new Luma Floodlight cameras. As you'll see, there's two versions available. There's a Wi-Fi version at the top up here with a single lens, and then a PoE version that has two lenses, giving you an ultra-wide field of view. This is a great supplementary option for your in-home or business security, allowing your surveillance to essentially play an active role in your home and business protection. These cameras have active deterrence built in, so when they detect an intruder, they can flash the LED light illuminators at the intruder. They can sound an alarm or even play custom audio telling them that, hey, they are trespassing, they need to get off the property. These illuminators, they articulate pretty easily. It doesn't require any tools to configure this, so as you can see, we can articulate them, rotate them, mount it on a ceiling, mount it onto a wall, depending on what you need for for your installs. And on top of that, we have a lot of awesome, exciting products that we're showcasing here. So thank you all. Good to see you all.